Honorable Principal, respected teachers, and all my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum and good morning. As we all know, we are here to celebrate the Independence Day. Happy Independence Day. Pakistan's Independence Day is celebrated on 14th August as Pakistan appeared on the map of the world on this day. This day is celebrated in the form of a festival as a national holiday. With zeal and zest, but we must remember this is not enough. We, as a citizen of Pakistan, must remember what are our duties. What are our duties? What is our contribution towards our beloved state? Let me tell you, first of all, we should be ready at any time to defend our beloved state at any cost. We should respect and obey our state. We should respect our fellows. We should save the resources of Pakistan. Finally, we should struggle hard for the bright future of Pakistan. Believe me, if we do these promises, then this is the best celebration of Independence Day. Live long Pakistan.